Hi again, Thomas here with Nuvo H2o. One of my favorite benefits of Nuvo H2o is the cartridge-based system. This allows for easy, convenient system maintenance. In this video, I'm going to break down the cartridge replacement process and system maintenance. Let's go. We recommend having a towel on hand and placing a container underneath your RV system to catch any water that may spill. A container should also be used to carry your spent cartridge, as the concentrated solution can damage flooring if it drips from the cartridge. Discontinue water flow to the system by stopping the water to the RV using the shutoff valve. Open a faucet to allow any pressure to be released. Close the faucet once all pressure has been released. Using the white plastic wrench provided, turn the sump clockwise to loosen the sump from the head of the system. Caution, the sump will be full of water. Remove the spent cartridge and place it into a container. Turn it upside down and let it drain completely. The water that empties from the cartridge and sump will be very concentrated. Do not allow it to come in contact with copper, stone, carpet, cement, or any other flooring. Wash the sump with a food-grade cleaner and warm water, using a non-abrasive sponge or cloth. Inspect the O-ring on top of the sump for wear. Ensure it is seated properly. Lubricate the O-ring with a water-based lubricant or replace it as needed. Remove the plastic shrink wrap from your new filter and cartridge and insert them into the sumps. The small round holes on the side of the softening cartridge must be at the top. Fill the white sump containing the softening cartridge with water in a safe location while separated from the manifold head. After 1 hour of soaking, the softening cartridge is ready to be used, and the sump with cartridge can be reattached to the manifold head. Failure to allow the softening cartridge to rest in water for 1 hour can reduce the lifespan of the cartridge. While soaking the cartridge, repeat the process to replace the sediment and iron filter. No soaking is required for these two filters. Be sure to align the filters and cartridge properly in the sumps and heads. Failure to do so may cause them to crack when tightening the sumps back onto the head. One at a time, carefully attach the sumps, now with the cartridges inside, to the head by rotating the sumps counterclockwise. Secure with the wrench provided. And just like that, you successfully changed your filters and cartridges and are ready for another 5,000 gallons. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to a Nuvo H2o customer service representative at 877-688-6326.